Prosecution in Donald Trump's hush money trial accused the former president of a criminal conspiracy and cover-up to hide a sex scandal ahead of the 2016 presidential election. It was election fraud, pure and simple. This is what a lawyer told the jury during the opening statements at the historic trial in New York. Setting out the case for the defense, Trump's lawyer said his client had committed no crimes and that it was not illegal to try to influence an election. Right, and joining us with an update from New York at the moment, William Denslow. Let's go across to him.
Opening statements, prosecutor Matthew Colangelo argued that Donald Trump had committed election fraud, pure and simple. The prosecution painted a narrative accusing Donald Trump of attempting to hide and prevent potentially politically damaging stories from making it public in the lead up to the 2016 presidential election. The prosecution alleged that Donald Trump paid hush money to the porn star Stormy Daniels through a fixer in a bid to make that payment as hard as possible to discover. We heard from Todd Blanche, representing the defense during opening statements, arguing that the prosecutors laid out a neat narrative, but they said it's simply not true. Blanche adding that Donald Trump had committed no crimes. He said that even efforts to influence an election, there's nothing wrong with that, he argued. He said that is simply what democracy is. We've also had the first witness take the stand during this trial. That is David Pecker, who owned the firm that controlled the National Enquirer, who are accused of catching and killing potentially politically damaging stories about Donald Trump in the lead up to the 2016 election. He is expected back on the witness stand Tuesday. On Tuesday, there's also expected to be a hearing on Donald Trump's gag order that prosecutors allege that he has been violating. The gag order was put in place by Judge Juan Machan in an effort to prevent the former president from attacking witnesses during this trial. Prosecutors, they say that such violations of the order could result in fines or even up to 30 days behind bars. Donald Trump has said that this gag order is unconstitutional. He has railed again against the case as a whole. He says it is election interference, all in a bid to hurt his chance of regaining the White House come November. William Denslow, NDTV, New York.